What's up, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the Audi SQ5. So we finally upgraded the window. It was there was excuse for me to actually upgrade and get the original OEM. So it does have the original part numbers. 2-pane acoustic window. I don't like aftermarket. So I figured, you know what, with that being shattered and being just the original with no lane assist, I decided, you know what, let's go source the parts, let's get this bad boy going, and pretty much coming to an end where I have now extended my mirror to basically have the wiring and tuck it and finally be able to use the enclosed case, so that way it actually goes in and it is what it is on that bad boy. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. You know, it's been one of the things that I give credit to Mrclopec down at Ross Tech for already having that process going, and obviously just doing a little couple upgrades just to pretty much give that safety margin. And you know, obviously I still need to calibrate it, see, but no fault codes whatsoever except for that. And so we're back to business here, and then next thing is pretty much upgrading the adaptive cruise control and getting that process going. So I'm pretty excited, guys. Thanks for staying with me on this one. I know it's been long set, but it's one of those that is very rewarding, and I'll have to touch bases later on it and see how it goes, and give it a trial run here in the States and go from there. All right, guys. Well, thanks for checking in. As always, subscribe, like, comment. You know, let me know what you guys think. All right, talk to you again.